If you're thinking right now, these products are game changers. I need to tell my family about this, or I need to tell all my friends about this. You're not alone. We want to share the things that work for us, especially the life-changing ones. Someone likely shared MetaPWR with you, telling you to try the products and take this course because of what it's done for them. And you can do the same for others. By sharing MetaPWR as a natural tool that's helping you, you're helping others, including the people you love most, to achieve better health and enjoy a higher quality of life naturally. When doTERRA was first founded, a person-to-person model of marketing and sharing was carefully and deliberately chosen. Because of the experiential nature of essential oils, it's most effective for another person to introduce them and teach how to use them. The individual can respond to personal questions and needs, sampling and teaching along the way. doTERRA also determined we'd be different than other network marketing models. Most companies lead with their business opportunity, but doTERRA leads with powerful, life-changing products that sell themselves, regardless of the opportunity. In fact, more than 80% of doTERRA customers are just that, customers, who love using the products in their lives and homes. But for those who want to share the products with others, you can earn compensation for your efforts. As you start using MetaPWR in your life and your families, you may find that you just can't help but share the product line with others. And if that's the case, we recommend watching the rest of this module, which talks about how you can share MetaPWR more effectively and be compensated for doing so. If you aren't ready to share, but you're curious, then the rest of this module is also for you. Regardless of whether you decide to share these products with others or just love using them as part of your own personal health journey, thank you for being part of the doTERRA family.